Claude Opus 4.7 just shipped on April 16. Benchmarks jumped 10 points on real coding tasks. SWE Bench Pro 53% to 64. It beats GPT 5.4, beats Gemini 3.1 Pro. Price is marketed as unchanged, but the new tokenizer adds up to 35% more tokens per request. Your bill goes up quietly. Here's the 5-minute breakdown. What changed, the pricing catch, and what's coming next. What actually improved? SWE Bench Verified. The curated hard subset hit 87.6%, up from 80.8%. Terminal Bench 2.0 went from 65 to 69. Multi-step agent reasoning improved by 14%, with a third of the tool errors. Vision got triple the image resolution. It reads detailed UIs and diagrams without losing information. Anthropic is also leading every comparable generally available model on SWE Bench Pro. But here's the honest caveat. Gemini 3.1 Pro still beats 4.7 on BrowseComp, Agentic Web Research, 85.9 versus 79.3. So for pure web search workflows, Gemini still wins. The pricing story. Headline. Same price. $5 per million input tokens, 25 per million output. Unchanged from 4.6. But Anthropic shipped a new tokenizer with 4.7, and it produces up to 35% more tokens for the exact same input. So a file that was 10,000 tokens in 4.6's tokenizer is now 13,000 in 4.7's. Your cost per request went up 30%, and nobody said a word. Before you migrate, tokenize a sample of your traffic with both endpoints, multiply by monthly volume, and check the delta. If your bill moves more than you can absorb, you've got a decision to make. Anthropic isn't shouting about. First, Claude Mythos preview exists, and it's far more powerful than 4.7. On SWE Bench Pro, Mythos hits 77.8 versus 4.7 64.3. On SWE Bench Verified, 93.9. Mythos is not generally available. It's running in Project Glasswing, a cybersecurity pilot for select enterprises, which means don't overinvest in 4.7 specific tooling. Second, Anthropic deliberately reduced 4.7's cybersecurity capabilities during training. On purpose. If you're doing vulnerability research, pen test, or red teaming, apply to the new cyber verification program. Approved researchers get fewer restrictions. Migrate. Quick answer. Switch to 4.7 for hard, long-running coding work. Refactors, multi-file changes, autonomous agents. Stay on Sonnet 4.6 for cheap, high-volume batch tasks. And don't migrate until you've measured your token bill shift. API-wise, it's a one-line swap. Claude Opus 4.6 becomes Claude Opus 4.7. But test a representative slice first. 3-bullet summary. Real improvement on hard coding. Pricing is not as clean as advertised, and Mythos is what's really coming. Follow Neuroscale Engineering for model drops and deep dives.